Good morning, children. Hope you all are well and healthy. Welcome back to GK class. Today we will start book number 5, chapter number 1, that is Champions. You all are aware of this word, isn't it, children? Yes. And the meaning of this word is champion is a person accepted as better than all others in a sport or in a game of skill. Now, let's move on to the chapter. A sport is a game you play to win or to have fun. Tofu loves sports. His album has pictures of some famous sports persons. Identify and number them according to the list in the box. One has been done for you. Children, here you can see some pictures of some famous sports persons, and I am sure that you have seen these pictures in your television screens also. So now let's do it. One number is a picture of, children, can you guess the answer? Yes, you're right. This is a picture of Sachin Tendulkar. Yes. So, accordingly, the answer, what we have to write in the circle? We have to write C. Because C is Sachin Tendulkar, which is already given. So, let's move on to the second number. Children, can you recognize the picture? Yes, you're right. This is the picture of Abhinav Bindra. Yes, very good. So, the answer will be A. So, in the blank, we have to write A. Now, the third one. Third one is a picture of, yes, any guesses? Yes, you're right. Third one is a picture of Saina Nehwal. Yes. So, in the blank, we will write B. Very good. Now, the fourth number. Fourth number is a picture of, yes, you're correct. The answer is David Beckham. Yes. So, in the blank, we will write E. Very good. Now, the fifth number. Children, now we are left with only one option. And now can you guess the answer? Yes, you're right. The answer is Ronaldo. Very good. So, in blank, we will write D. Children, let me tell you little more about these sports persons. One number is Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar is an Indian former international cricketer. He is also known as God of Cricket. Second is Abhinav Bindra. Abhinav Bindra is a retired sport shooter. He is currently India's only individual Olympic gold medalist. Third number is Saina Nehwal. Saina Nehwal is an Indian professional badminton singles player. She was the first badminton player from India to win an Olympic medal. Fourth number is David Beckham. David Beckham is an English retired association football player. Now the fifth number. Fifth number is Ronaldo in full, Ronaldo Luis Nazario de Lima is a retired professional footballer who played as a striker. Now let's move on to the no more section. Here you can see what it is written. It is written, when both the teams have the same score, it is called a tie. The person who conducts a game is called a referee or an umpire. Now the activity zone. What is the thing in the picture called? Children, you can see a picture. Can you guess? It is a picture of which thing? Yes, you are right. The answer is Rubik's Cube. Children, do you know why it is called Rubik's Cube? No. Okay, I am telling you. It is called Rubik's Cube because it was invented by someone with the last name Rubik. His full name was Erno Rubik. Okay, children? Now, the second one. Which sport is it used in? And this is your homework. This you have to do it yourself. Hope children you have enjoyed the chapter. Thank you children. Children, now let's move to chapter number 2, that is musical loops. Music brings people together. It spreads love and happiness in our lives. A musician plays a musical instrument. A choir is a group of singers. When many musicians play their instruments together, it is called an orchestra. Now what we have to do? These musical instruments have been broken into 2 pieces. Join the pieces that go together. One has been done for you. Children, here we can see that 1 number picture best suits with the E number picture, and when brought together, the instrument formed is piano. Yes, which is already given. Children, piano. The piano is a musical instrument with a keyboard. Okay children. Now the second one. Second one picture best suits with the, yes, you are right, with the A number picture. And then the word form is sitar. Yes, very good. Children, sitar. Sitar is a musical instrument from India that is like a guitar and that has a long neck and a round body. Now the third number. Third number picture best suits which number picture children? Any guesses? Yes, you're right, with the B number picture. And the word then formed is drums. Very good. Children, a drum is a musical instrument that is struck with the hands or with a drum stick. Now the fourth number picture. Fourth number picture best suits with which number picture children? Yes, you're right, with C number picture. And the word then form is guitar. Very good. Children, a guitar is a stringed instrument that makes music from the vibration of strings. Okay children? Now the fifth number. Fifth number picture best suits with, yes, D number picture. Very good children. And the word that then form is tabla. Yes, tabla. The tabla consists of 2 small drums of slightly different sizes and shapes. Children, now let's move to the activity zone. Imagine you are a famous musician. Which instrument do you play? How do you feel when people praise you for your good music? Children, as now you are at your home, you can share your experience with your family members. Okay children? Hope children you have enjoyed the class. Bye for now. Thank you children.